Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn about the supplier setup form. Supplier setup form used to create new supplier. A supplier must be created before purchase. You must enter identifying information for each of the suppliers that you use on your purchases. You must create a supplier master record in your system for each supplier you plan to use on your purchase. To create a new supplier, go to the Purchase module. In Setup Forms, open Supplier Setup. Press the New button. Select Supplier Group from the list that is created in Supplier Group form. Mention Supplier Group with every supplier. This option will help to filter group-wise purchase records, group-wise payable and group-wise aging, etc. Enter supplier information, for example, supplier name, name of the relevant person, address of the company, residence phone, office contact number, mobile contact number, sales tax registration number, and email address of the company. There is 3 type of GL account head used when you create new supplier, and you need to route these GL accounts into your supplier profile. Press the key down to select GL head of supplier created in the chart of account 4. Press the key down to select purchase account. Purchase GL used to maintain purchases. If you want group-wise purchases, then you can select different purchase GL for different suppliers. Whenever you will buy goods from suppliers, purchase GL will be debited. Press the key down to select discount GL. Discount GL is used for discounts on purchases. Whenever you buy goods from a particular supplier and he gave you some discount on the invoice, you need to mention that particular discount in the invoice during invoice posting. Your supplier will be debited with the discount amount and your discount GL will be credited. Enter payment terms of the supplier in payment terms text box. Enter credit days. Credit days are used for the limitation of maximum credit days allowed from each purchase. Enter credit amount limit in credit limit text box. Credit limit option used for the maximum allowed credit limit. If credit limit exceeds, you will not be allowed to buy further. Select branch which is allowed to use the supplier in purchases. Active button used to active or inactive the supplier. If a supplier is inactive, it won't be shown in the purchase form. Now press the save button. To edit an existing supplier, press on the search button from the toolbar. Search record from the search menu, and double-click to select. Press Edit button. User can edit each and every record of supplier setup. Similarly, to delete an existing supplier, press on Search button from the toolbar. Search record from search menu. Press the Delete button. If the following message shows in case of deletion, entries found in purchase, it's mean this supplier is unable to delete because it contains record in the purchase module. So user cannot delete this type of record. Thanks for watching.